We've seen a little bit of a pullback in markets. Europe was a bit weaker yesterday. Asia's struggling a bit here, and we're trying to deal with understanding what the government in China is doing in terms of intervening in coal and the energy sector. Are we seeing a dress rehearsal here for markets actually moving into a weaker phase towards the end of the year or into early 2022, or is there enough momentum in earnings from the corporates to sustain upside?
I think we're going to see a big revision of estimates, particularly in the so-called value sectors. We are seeing margin pressures, and those margin pressures are more important than what were initially expected. And I also think that we need to be aware of another important factor, which is a number of corporates are going to also produce less, particularly in the industrial sector, than what markets expected for 2022, because you have to add on the top line the risk of the slowdown in the economy, plus the risk of some shutdowns in some industries. So we're taking money out of the industrial segment because the risk of downgrades to me is quite important. And we're looking more at growth sectors where we think that margins are more sustainable and less at risk, certainly.